Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out this toilet roll holder and shelf by Trusthere. Here you can see I'm just unboxing it, checking out the instructions. You can see the little shelf there. It comes with all the little different parts and the little holder there. So to install the little holder, you're going to take out those screws, find the two smallest ones, and those two smallest ones will just go through the back there. As you can see, simply screw them in with the screwdriver that is provided to you. It's nice and sturdy and solid. The bigger screws can go in there, and that's if you're going to screw it to the wall or wherever you're going to put it to. If you want to use the glue instead, there's the glue and the auxiliary stickers that you can use. So to start, you're going to clean the surface. If you're planning to use the glue, you will put that glue all along the back of the toilet roll holder, and then you will simply stick it to the wall. You can then put the auxiliary stickers on the sides to hold it up for the 72 hours until it is perfectly dry, and then you can take them off and it'll be nice and sturdy there for you. If you're planning to screw it to the wall, you can simply take those screws and mark your holes where you want your holes to be, and then you can screw it into the wall. So here it is screwed into the wall here for me. Let's put in a roll of toilet paper. You can see there I just slightly pulled that down. It fits in nicely with space, so it's not going to bump up against it as it's rolling out. Let's put a phone on top. You can see the spacing and the size of it there. And I've got a little jar of water here as well. You can see that it doesn't even budge it. It's nice and sturdy. It's going to hold a lot of weight for you. This is a very solid toilet paper holder. It's a nice stainless steel material. I really like that material. It looks nice and sleek. The black, matte black color to it. If you're looking for a nice toilet paper holder for maybe your bathroom, maybe your RV or something, this is definitely one to check out. I encourage you to look at this one. I'll link below where you can find that. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time. I'm Brian Sloan Artist.